Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a Winter Wonderland ice castle and turn it into a diorama? Well, let's get started. And these are the materials that I will be using. Okay, so let's draw lots of geometrical shapes. So we're going to draw a rectangle, one line across, another line down, down, and then across. So here we have a rectangle. Then we'll draw another line across, up, and then across, down, cross, up, and just keep going. Okay, and then let's continue with the base. So just drawing a straight line across, and now let's draw the door. We'll continue with our fun little design here. So across, up, and then again across, up, across, down, across, up, across, down. And then when we get to this point, let's draw another rectangle shape. And we're going to attach it here, okay? And let's draw the line here across. So we'll do the same here. One line across, up, across, down, across, up, and just keep going. Do the turret. So we're going to draw one line down here, and let's bring a line across and down as well. And then let's draw a triangle shape. Okay, so it's like two diagonal lines and one across. Another one in the middle here. And again, a triangle shape. And then here, and another triangle shape. Now let's include another tall tower here. And then one line across here at the top, another triangle here. Okay, we can also add another one. And then a triangle at the top for our ice castle. Okay, now because it's an ice castle, it doesn't have to be perfectly shaped. Okay, so I just drew lines here just for the background. For our door, I'm going to do a circle for the doorknob, and I'm just going to draw some lines going down as well. Now we could also add some little flags. So I'm going to put one flag here, and sort of like a right triangle, and then I'll put one here as well. We could even draw like a little path, just two diagonal lines. Okay, we could add little windows as well, so little squares randomly around. We could even do one here at the very top. To draw little snowmen, just to make it a little bit more fun. So I think I'm going to just draw a small one here, and I'll draw another one here. And I love love drawing snowmen, snow people. Okay, and I will do one more here as well. Okay, I'm gonna use a thin Sharpie for the little details because they're really small. I'm adding the buttons here and then the eyes and a nice little smile. And why not add a cute hat as well? For a little winter wonderland ice castle drawing. Okay. Okay, and because it's in the snow, we can just add some little lines around. Okay, so the only color I'm going to use is the baby blue. And I'm just going to go gently around the edges because it is a nice castle. Just to highlight it a little more. If you want, you could even color the little flags, which I'll do. A bright red. And for the little snow families here, just color in the hats. If you want, with the ice castle that we just drew, I found this box and I'd like to turn it into a diorama. So I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to glue it in the inside. Okay, so here is our ice castle. I painted the lid of the box in white acrylic paint. I cut out the ice castle, I glued it on. I also glued the little snow people along the edges. It can be displayed as a picture frame or like a diorama if you have a little project to work on. Okay, this would be a good idea. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.